welcome back to my channel. Let's jump right into this blue cat eye look I got going on. I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, picking up Creamsicle first, blending that right in the crease of my eye and feathering it outwards. Then picking up the star of the show, this gorgeous blue eyeshadow called Twerk. Such a cute name. I'm going to continue packing this on all over my lids and build up that color to where I want it to be. I'm going to switch brushes real quick to a small tapered blending brush, blending out the crease, and then going back in with a flat shaded brush to wing out that blue shadow. Going in with a pencil brush and connecting that from the crease down to where I winged out the blue shadow. Filling in any kind of gaps there may be to bring this blue cat eye look together. I'm also going to start connecting the wing down to the lower lash line. Then going back in with my blending brush, blending out the crease of my eye and feathering it again outwards to elongate that blue shadow liner. Now we got to clean up all of the fallout with a regular makeup remover wipe. And after that, it's time for some deep hydration. Going in with the Tarte Mermaid Skin Hyaluronic Acid Serum and just rubbing that all over. Then going in with another Tarte product. This is Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. Then for a nice blurring effect, going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Healthy Glow All Year Hydrating Summer Tint Moisturizer. My skin looked so amazing right after applying this. And for primer, I'm going to go in with the new Swatches Silk Canvas, which literally feels like silk. So we definitely got to glow up a little bit. Going in with the iconic London Illuminator. This is the original one, and I'm just going to apply this wherever I see fit. For foundation, going in with the Huda Beauty Faux Filter in the shade Macchiato. Applying that right on my damp beauty blender and just patting it on. Then taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, love this, my absolute favorite. I'm going to begin to highlight the high points of my face, and I'm taking two of them. First, I'm applying light medium, and then going in with light neutral, so I have certain parts of my face a little bit more highlighted, like right underneath my eyes and the sides of my nose. Then, of course, taking the damp beauty blender to blend this shit out. To contour, I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in shade 14. And this works amazingly well. The only thing is it does dry down pretty fast. So I would definitely work in sections next time. And I recommend any of you to work in sections if you do want to contour with these concealers. And of course, going back in with the damp beauty blender to blend the contour out. Now it's time to set and slightly bake. I don't really go in with hardcore baking like with a beauty blender. I feel for my skin type, I have combination skin, it gets a little too cakey for me. So I love taking my Real Techniques setting brush and just slightly dabbing it on. Leaving that on for a little bit, and then I'm going to eventually swipe it away. Going back to the eyes, going in with the NYX Slide On Pencil. This is in Sunrise Blue, applying that to the waterline, and then just taking my Sigma E21 smudge brush and smudging that out. Going in with the NARS Laguna bronzer to set my contour in place. Time to swipe away the setting powder I have on, but I'm going to use my Hourglass Ambient Lightening Powder in Ethereal Light to do so because it just leaves such a gorgeous highlight right underneath my eyes. I've been doing this a lot lately and I just love it. To highlight my brow bones, going in with the Laura Geller Baked Gelato in Gilded Honey. And to highlight the inner corner of my eyes, I'm going to take this Stila Shimmer and Glow in the shade Perlina. Look at this. It is just such a beautiful glistening white glitter. Love it. And to highlight the high points of my face, definitely I'm going to take this MAC Extra Dimension Skin Finish in the shade Double Gleam. This is so absolutely gorgeous. I want to own all of them. For blush, I'm going to take this Natasha Denona Duo Glow in the shade Alba, which is a beautiful pinky peach color. Then for mascara, for my lower lashes, going in with this 4 Outrageous Curl because it's so small and precise. And for my upper lashes, the Buxom Lash Mascara. It's time for the fluff! Going in with the Lily Lashes, the Ford Collection one in the style Rome. Then for lip liner, Kat Von D in Bow and Arrow, and then the Tarte Rainforest lipstick in the shade Skinny Dip. And that is it. Just set everything in place and you got your final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Check me out on Instagram. I'm going to link all my social media down below in the description box. And I can't wait to see you all next time. Bye!